Welcome to the basement. This is one of the hardest things I've ever done. Okay. Oh my god, c'est bon. D'accord. Absolutely horrible sink. I don't know what this is, if it's rust or if it's just dirt from something that dried up. That's the only spot that I haven't really worked on, like the walls are super white and empty and it's still a work in progress. I still don't know what I'm gonna put over here. This is my favorite spot. When I look, I'm so happy, but when I come out, this I'm so much happier about. It used to be really ugly. Welcome to the basement. Woohoo! This is my bathroom. And then over here is the toilets. All the toilets are there, but this is the shower. And here is the garden. I also like to come outside in the morning while I brush my teeth and just get some fresh air. It really wakes me up. Right now it's snowing. Sometimes I just close my eyes and I kind of just imagine that I'm camping in the forest and I'm in the middle of nature, you know, feeling all the elements until I get way too cold and I go back inside. So yeah, this is the space I live in now. Not the coziest. I tried to make the best out of it, but when I come into my room, I'm happy and cozy. And it's snowing so much! Wow. For me, it was really important to have like a very specific color palette, so I wanted very light colors. I didn't want to have anything that was really dark. That's why I also wanted to hide all this really dark brown wood that was already in the room. I thought that was so ugly and it just made it look so old. I mean, it's not perfect, as you can see, it just kind of comes out on the side. I'm really happy of the way that I made it look. It did take me a lot of effort and energy and thinking as to how to make it cozy with, not too much effort and not spending a lot of money, so I'm very proud of the result, and I definitely much more comfortable, especially my desk area. That's my favorite spot to be in. Something important to make your room look cozy is, carpets are essential, especially on really ugly floors like the one that I have. I would recommend having really fluffy carpets or carpets that are made of like a natural material. And yeah, it's not perfect, but I did my best with what I had. Even like the carpets, like some of them don't go together and they are not aligned with the aesthetic that I had in mind. But for now, this is good enough. I think having a room that you're comfortable and happy with is so important. So if some of you are, in a similar process, it's normal to take your time to want to decide how your room is going to look like and making sure that you feel good in it. So take the time you need, but try not to overthink it either, because I had so many thoughts in my head about so much overthinking, and it was really giving me insomnia actually. But also I kind of had to learn to let go and be satisfied with what I've done so far, and not be a perfectionist, and not having the ideal aesthetic. Oh yeah, something else that I really dislike in this room is the window. First of all, it doesn't open, but also since I'm below the ground, people can just see into my room so easily, and sometimes I'm just working on my desk and just people start looking inside and I have really awkward eye contact. But overall, I've become very used to the space. I'm very happy of how cozy I made it look, and now I do like my room. I'm not a huge fan, but I do like it enough to be, happy to come home. If you have any questions or any comments or want to share your experience, I would be so happy to read you. If you have any video requests, also feel free to throw that in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye!